When we speak about cloud computing, one of the critical questions that customers ask is everything that pertains to governance, management, policy enforcement, and security. As you consider the fact that what we are showing you here is your own cloud that you control completely because it is sitting on your existing hardware in your data center, this question becomes even more critical. So the purpose of this demo is to show you the extensive security and role setting controls that you get in this cloud to demonstrate to you the enterprise grade capabilities that you will receive when you cloud enable your systems. So I'm going to take you to configuration to show you these capabilities. Configuration is where IT administrators have access to all the controls. So let's go to users and groups, which is the fundamental objective of this demo, so that we can investigate the level of control and security that you have in this cloud. When the cloud is set up for you, you will have a list of all the users here created for you by the services engagement. And for each one of these, you can set up groups, first of all. Groups is role-based access control where you can bring in a whole host of users and assign to them a group-based role to make it easier for you, and that's part of the services engagement. At the individual user level, though, let's look at the level of control that you have in terms of assigning responsibilities. I just click here, I go to Edit Assigned Roles. I'm not going to walk you through all of them, but I'll walk you through the most important ones and the ones that we see all the time. So the first one is an administrator. The administrator is the super user. This would be an IT operations professional, a very experienced IT operations professional who really understands the hardware, all the controls, and is trusted to ensure that they will not damage the cloud when they make changes or they create compute templates and so on. A project manager, like we said before, is the person that works within a project. Unlike an administrator, these folks can only see images and VMs, but they do not have access to any of the hardware, and they cannot make changes to the assigned resources given to them by IT operations. So a project administrator has power only within his or her project. They can approve VMs, they can delete VMs, they can do all the administrative functions to ensure that their project is being utilized with the greatest amount of efficiency. Then we move to the self-service user. The self-service user is a software developer that needs to deploy VMs within a project, or it could be a data scientist that needs to deploy an AI workload, for example, within an AI project. This person has no access to create anything, and they are given what are called deploy templates. And if you want to see what a deploy template is, please refer to my other article where I show you how to deploy a VM in 2 minutes. The storage manager has access to the storage part of the cloud, and he or she can define storage that will be shared versus storage that will not. For every other role, we'd be happy to discuss it with you. Just connect with us. Thank you very much.